wo. May they forgive her. Why allow? Naya boy. No make an activity a jedo. Because a healthy one listen with wa. Ovie do eno. Ovie do pataki. Every ovie do ne regege. Na you bought barwa. Okwe meno. Okwo no so no. So we cannot just leave her. She have made a mistake. Ununa beso wa we are more waratalo ne so you say wrong. Just that you material apologize. You see when our sister Sarah insults the palace, after the next day she immediately come out and apologize. You see people forgive her. So it don't take heke ne momirete not take heke not tererete where imia. So that have a great people ni nigele ni dena majini ni awe enya late nena ni ebe kivere ya late no be kivere ya serien boni forgive. So from my own opinion, my own way, my own mind, if maybe he go just she go fit do anything when the fit forgive her, she go ready to do am. May Benins, the Edos, may they forgive her. May they forgive Mommy Yori. You understand? So that she go see they go Benin the way the rest people they go. She go be alive though. Or be a jet do yo jet when they want to re. Then maybe anything at all. No ya serinia ya seri in hen anything no ya war it's you a way raw. For me, I hope that she will do it. You understand? So I pray may way every day. Possibility go there for her. May she go do so that she go fit the enter Benin. You understand? And I'm so much happy. May when Edimorphy and Mumiore when they reconcile. So 19 of joy to me. I so much love it. You understand? Because Mumiore she don't still pass through a lot. Yes, she made mistake. Nobody is above mistake. Even when they pursue this whether not matter, no be matter for Mary Magdalene for inside for Bible. They say na she spoil, she the thief, she be a shadow, this and this. When they beat and go pursue and go, she go run near where Jesus did. They come who they call Jesus. Say what they want to do to her. All of them come carry pick stone. They say they want to stone her to death. Now Jesus come say, anybody we know say never sin. May that person be the first person to pick a stone her. Nobody try him. Nobody ever pick that stone again because me I say be men. I know my wo bet cannot say be a sin. Now you can sin with your mouth. You can sin with your hand. So please, I know she don't offend the Benins. Even Owanokwa, Owane Babaji, or one offend. Every man, Oba talk be he said, but we have to forgive her. Ne bababe no ya lehwe no ya be a boy or wo me do she don't realize her mistakes the way they see her. She don't realize her mistakes. She they try to help those states. She they contribute. She they against courtesans. She they against thieves. She they against evil politicians. She they fight bad things. You don't see and say she mean well for the Edo. For Benin, she they grow the road, their village. She they put well for village. She they do some kind of things when the governors no fit still do for Edo State there. So or when we know ma, even for Europe here, she don't pray for many ladies. Or they deliver a son. We pray for many ladies, even including me, or little men. So why? Please, all of us came on everywhere. All of us want to be no everywhere we love because near where it can not go down at matter. And if you can't come out for social media, come the lie. You understand? When they are little men, when they are me, she's a nice woman. You understand? So for me, she's nice. And so please let people forgive her. Let the Edos forgive her. Magaya boy, she don't realize the mistake where she for wrong. Whether anything do they when Benin will fit do. whether anything, nothing, I mean no bad tea, something must dey when they fit do to take make sure say she's back home. She's back home. Something must dey. So my people, this is what I have to say. To forgive is divine. To her is human. To forgive is divine. So we all can make mistake one day in different aspects and different way. Nobody is above mistake. So we learn from our mistakes. She don't learn from our own. So please let us forgive her. Let us forgive her. This is my own contribution, and this is what I have to say. Thank you so much. Those of you that is watching me, please continue. Please, if today is your first time, you are just walking along Facebook or YouTube, don't hesitate to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is Mama Italy TV Talk Show. The name of my YouTube channel is Mama Italy TV Talk Show. The name of my page is Mama Italy. Mama Italy. Mama Italy, no TV, no Mama Italy Talk Show. Now take the page. But the page, I use this phone there. I use this phone there too. So if when I enter my page now, I'll see about my open 3 page. Now the same pictures now I put. Even though I watch now, some will tell the matter talk, so it's still there my page. Please, you can still subscribe and follow me there and press that bell. You understand? Press that bell, okay? Please guys, this is it for now. This is what I have to say for now. Then I'm so much happy that Eddie Murphy and Iyor finally reconciled. So I'm happy for them. This is what I always want for the presenters. We know I don't like quarrel, so I need peace. You understand? And one day like that, even Lolo and Monica will still reconcile. They will still forgive their stuff. They will stop fighting. You understand? Equoma says so because Ezona I make na moerie. So now you'll be the something, my people. So thank you so much for your support, for your love. Please share. Make this my own opinion get to Mommy Iyor, and I show her the way I love her. She's not only beautiful, and she's so pure in her heart, and she's so nice. Please, maybe if you there here, you don't like the way I take talk, I am sorry. I don't know what to say. This is my own way of expressing myself, my own opinion from the bottom of my heart. I don't know. Maybe if I offended you by saying these words, I am sorry. It's touchable because everybody no fit be the same. You no fit be me no fit be you. We no fit get the same heart. Everybody mind heart different. So I am sorry, but this is what came from my heart. That is why I'm spilling it out. Okay, so guys, I have to leave you guys now. See you by the special grace of God. And we will sing. Just please subscribe so that if you subscribe, I know if you give you the dates now. So that anytime you get my notification bell, you go know say I meet dey online. You go come online. You go click on. You go see me. But if you don't follow me, you know they subscribe. You know fit see am. Okay, so try and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much. Support me on my YouTube channel. Love me and follow me. Okay. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye. Bye bye.